हेलो वेलकम। टॉपिक एडवर्ब का आज हमारा दूसरा वीडियो है। इससे पहले हम लोगों ने एडवर्ब के डिफिनेशन, उसके टाइप्स के बारे में जाना था। आज के वीडियो सेशन में हम लोग देखेंगे बचे हुए जो काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब हैं उनको, उनके डिफिनेशन को विस्तार पूर्वक समझते हैं। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री। एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री इंडिकेट the intensity of action and answer the question how much. Generally, adverb of degree denotes about the how much focus is given on the action. They are placed before the adjective or adverb. Mainly it is seen that adverb of degree are placed before the adjective or the adverbs. Let us understand through example. The story was very scary. She is quite fast in calculating sums. In the first sentence above, the adverb of degree very modifies the adjective scary. In the second sentence, adverb of degree quite modifies the verb fast. So, adverb of degree may modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. This we have seen with the example that very and quite are adverb of degree. Few adverb of degrees are enough, fairly, almost, extremely, nearly, only, to and hardly. These were the adverbs of degree. Adverb of frequency. इससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब सीरीज में फर्स्ट 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब, उनके बारे में मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो में बताया है। अगर उस वीडियो सेशन को आप लोगों ने मिस किया है तो आई बटन में जाके देख सकते हैं। एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी। एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इंडिकेट्स हाउ ऑफन एन एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ ऑफन। दे आर यूजुअली प्लेस्ड बिफोर मेन वर्ब और आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब। एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी आर प्लेस्ड मेनली बिफोर द मेन वर्ब और आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. Let us see its example. He rarely visits the museum. Here, rarely is the adverb of frequency, whereas visits is the main verb. So, adverb of frequency which is rarely is used before the main verb, which is visit. Sneha is occasionally late for college. Here, is auxiliary verb, and after that occasionally is used, which is adverb of frequency. So, we can say that adverb of frequency are placed before main verb or after helping verb. Few adverb of frequency are sometimes, every time, seldom, usually, once a month. Here, once a month is the adverb phrase. These were the few adverb of frequency. Next one is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are words like where, when and why. They modify a word and refer back to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to. They function as adverbs and as conjunction also. Mainly we can see that words like where, when and why are used as relative adverbs. Let us see the example. I cannot find the house where my aunt lived earlier. Here, where is the relative adverbs because it shows the relation between the house and the aunt. It refers back to the thing which is a house. Second example is she cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. When is the relative adverb used in the sentence because it shows the connection between the person and the thing. They come here whenever they are free. Here, whenever is the relative adverb. In above sentences, where, when and whenever are relative adverbs. Next is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask question. These adverbs are generally used to ask any questions. Words like how, where, when, how many, how much, how often, how long, why, and so on are used for asking questions about time, place, manner, quantity, reason, and frequency of an action. They usually come at the beginning of the sentence. Mainly interrogative adverbs are used at the beginning of any sentence. Let us see the example. Where did the children go for picnic? Here, where is used at the beginning of the sentence, indicating the interrogative adverb, refers to the place. How is the girl performing in academics? Here, how is the interrogative adverb, refers to manner, used at the beginning of the sentence. When will the meeting be held? When is referring to the time, used as interrogative adverb in the sentence. How well do you know her? Here, how well refers to degree, used as the interrogative adverb in the sentence. How often do you go shopping? Here, how often is used as the interrogative adverb in the sentence, referring to frequency. These were the few examples of interrogative adverbs. Next one is exclamatory adverb. Exclamatory adverbs express degree or extent in exclamation. Mainly it takes the exclamation mark. How and what are exclamatory adverbs? Let us see the example. How beautifully she danced. Mark of exclamation. Here how is the exclamatory adverb in the sentence. What a lovely view. What is the exclamatory adverb used in the sentence? And at the end of the sentence, mark of exclamation is used. These were the exclamatory adverbs. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation and negation expresses assertion or denial. Generally, it states in yes or no format. What are the example? She will definitely come. Here, mark of affirmation is indicating in the sentence. Definitely is the adverb of affirmation used in the sentence. She is not willing to go. Here, not is the adverb of negation used in the sentence, showing the denial. These two were the example of adverb of affirmation and negation. In today's video session, we have seen the rest types of adverbs which were left out in the first video, which are adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, relative adverbs, interrogative adverb, exclamatory adverb and adverb of affirmation and negation. वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।